Alright guys, me and Chris are about to mystery shop Black Rifle Coffee Company and we'll keep you on the phone. Let's hope we get friendly, fast service, that we get our correct order, and that it tastes great. I'm loving the store. I even bought a shirt. I'll show y'all later today. But pretty cool place. And this is my friend Fred. This is why Chris goes by Combat Cock. I hope it makes sense now. I love the grenade mugs. Sorry, I'm just videoing. Chris was in the way. Y'all, is this the one? There's one that tastes like Dr. Pepper. I had it yesterday. Oh, here it is. Dr. Death is really good. Very, very close to real Dr. Pepper and like barely any calories. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. I'll have a small coffee with the hickory smoke.
Like a black coffee?
Cream as well, I'm sorry.
Okay,
Thank you.
but do you want like a batch brew or like a latte?
A batch brew. Sorry, they did it the other day. I don't remember that. That's okay.
So you said with the hickory smoke
Yes, ma'am.
and cream?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. And then, can I get
Anything
a,
else?
No, thank you.
What's a good
just
name?
a large
Kayla.
Black Rifle Coffee Company, like cup?
Are you military,
Empty.
veteran, or first responder?
No, ma'am.
Yeah,
That
just
is
empty. With the lid.
$3.92.
I appreciate
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
And what size?
I just large.
No, you mean for the Marshall.
Oh, yeah. No worries. Large as well.
And let me go ask them.
Sure.
I'm sorry?
Do you want the bourbon sugar on top?
Oh, no, that's fine. Just cream. Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you. Next to Fred. All right, look at the coolest condiment stand. It's like the back of a military truck. Reminds me of the setup at Mission Barbecue. Pretty cool.
And then it came at us from the top. It was a big explosion, and you're not going to believe it. We're over there just going down, right? You know what I'm saying? And so after that, it cleared everything out, right? We went into the house, and through the woods. So anyway, bar bits first. Am I right? What are you going to do?
There you have it. Combat Cock met his cock.
Hey guys, Chris here. I'm at Black Rifle Coffee Company helping Kayla, and I ordered the Marshall. This is what it looks like. It's full of sugar and stuff I shouldn't be eating, but we're on vacation doing mystery shops, so who cares? Tastes like a milkshake. Thumbs up.
All right, looking at Chris right now, tell me what his favorite coffee company is. All right, just make sure you get all that in. So, yeah. Show him your swag or your bag, all the stuff you, yep. Can we say Chris is not a fan of Black Rifle Coffee Company? He absolutely hates it. So, what's the score? What do you give them?
If we're going on a score of 1 to 5, I'm going to say it's a freedom. It's a solid freedom.
Okay, is that for customer service or just the drink?
Oh, customer service was fantastic. The drink was on point. The decorations of the place, the aesthetic feel is amazing. I love it.
Awesome. Love it. Thank you.
All of my side hustlers, where you at? Let's go! When I walk in the store, all eyes on me. I'm on a secret job, this meal is free. We like cash, we love reimbursements. We came to mystery shop, everybody let's work it. Shop, 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 shop. Shop, 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 shop. Shop, 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 shop. Everybody! The companies love us when we write reports. They need our skills for customer support. I came to take pics, how about you? Boss of snacks, let's go around two. Shop, 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 shop. Shop, 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 shop. Shop, 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 shop. Everybody! If you ain't observing, get the heck out the shop. If you can't take notes, get the heck out the shop. If you don't like freebies, get the heck out the shop. Now where my secret shoppers, let me see your hands up. What you working on? Fast food spots, luxury shops, hotel stays, test drive cars, grocery checks. Forget all that, just get that check. Pays in the bank and I'm ready for more shops. Taking all the pics, writing notes, filling slots. Free meals, free stays, even theme park stops. So receipts in the air, everybody let's do shops. Everybody let's do shops. Shop, 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 shop. Shop, 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 shop. Shop, 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 shop. Everybody ready to get paid to eat, shop, and play. Sign up today at KaylaLaughs.com and let's go! KLOL Productions.